Buenos dias! Choice boards are like the educational equivalent of a choose-your-own-adventure book. They put the power of choice in the students' hands, giving them reins to steer their learning journey according to what suits them best. It's about recognizing that one-size-fits-all approach to education is as outdated as overhead projectors in the area of smartboards. Here's the actionable tip. Whip up a choice board with a handful of activities that tie into your lesson's objectives. Think of it as a menu where each dish is a different learning experience. Some students might gravitate towards a creative task, others might opt for a research-based activity, and some might choose a hands-on experiment. The key is variety. Cater to the artists, the analysts, the makers, and the communicators. By allowing students to pick an activity, you're not just accommodating different learning styles, you're also fostering a sense of autonomy. It's like saying, I trust you to know how you learn best, and that kind of trust can be a massive motivator. Plus, when students have a say in their work, they're more likely to engage with the material and put in the effort. It's no longer just homework, it's their project, their choice. So let's give students the menu and let them order up the learning experience that excites them the most. With choice boards, you're not just teaching content, you're nurturing independent learners and thinkers. And that's a choice that pays off well beyond the classroom. Happy comprehensible input!